The digital currency world is buzzing about the Pi network, a project that's been quietly simmering beneath the surface for years, but now it's finally having its big moment. Practically overnight, Pi has leapt into the spotlight, drawing attention from crypto enthusiasts, skeptics, and newcomers alike. After years of steady development and a loyal community, Pi's token price suddenly rocketed upward, grabbing headlines and sparking curiosity across the globe. For millions who've patiently tapped their phones every single day, this surge feels like long-awaited validation for their dedication and belief in the project's vision. Online forums and social media platforms have exploded with excitement as users share their predictions, celebrate the milestone, and debate what could come next for Pi. But what exactly triggered this dramatic move? And why now, after so much time under the radar? It's a mix of factors. A major conference that put Pi in the limelight, bullish technical signals that caught traders' eyes, and growing anticipation for Pi's next phase, as the community eagerly awaits new features and possible exchange listings. This isn't just about numbers or price charts. It's about hope, ambition, and the dream of a truly global community united by a shared vision. In this video, we'll uncover what sparked the breakout, what the charts reveal about Pi's momentum, and what the future might hold for Pi and its massive, ever-growing user base as it steps onto the world stage. Ready to discover the story behind the surge and what it could mean for the future of digital currency? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the Pi network and why is it making waves? Unlike Bitcoin, which needs powerful computers, Pi lets anyone with a smartphone participate. No technical expertise required. Started by Stanford grads, Pi's mission is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Users simply tap the app daily to earn Pi coins, building a digital piggy bank over time. This simple approach has attracted over 35 million users worldwide, making Pi one of the largest crypto communities. The real goal? Launching an open mainnet where Pi coins can be traded and used like real money. Until then, anticipation grows as users wait for their digital savings to become valuable. Pi is a global experiment in patience, community, and the power of daily participation. Let's dive into the recent price action that's been making waves across the Pi network community. The excitement is palpable. Traders, holders, and even casual observers are buzzing about what's happening. For months, Pi's price hovered stubbornly below the 0.13 mark. It was a psychological barrier, a line in the sand that traders watched with anticipation and, at times, frustration. Then, in late April 2026, everything changed. Pi didn't just nudge past 0.23. It surged through, breaking the resistance with conviction and signaling a major breakout. In trading, breaking a key resistance level like 0.23 is a big deal. It's not just about numbers, it's about shifting the entire market's mindset. Suddenly, what seemed impossible becomes possible, and a wave of new buyers can rush in. What's even more impressive is that Pi's price didn't just spike and fall back. Instead, it held firm above this level, transforming what was once a ceiling into a solid floor, a new support zone. This steady hold above 0.23 has given investors a renewed sense of confidence. It's a sign that the rally isn't just a flash in the pan, but has real strength and staying power. Now, 0.23 isn't just another number on the chart. It's become the foundation for Pi's next potential climb. It's a base that could support even bigger moves ahead. This breakout marks a true turning point, suggesting that the project's momentum is not only real, but building. For the Pi community, this moment is more than just a price move. It's a sign that years of patience, belief, and hard work might finally be rewarded. The stage is set for the next chapter in Pi's journey, and all eyes are watching to see what comes next. How do experts know if a rally is real? They turn to technical indicators. Pi's price recently crossed above its 100-day exponential moving average, a bullish sign. The next big test is the 200-day EMA, around 0.239. If Pi can break and hold above it, the long-term trend turns positive. Momentum indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, have surged to 63, showing buyers are in control. The May CD, another key tool, just flashed a bullish crossover, another green light for upward momentum. Together, these signals suggest Pi's rally isn't just hype. There's real strength behind the move. Technicals are aligning, and traders are watching closely. If Pi keeps this up, the path forward could be even brighter. But as always, markets can change fast. For now, the technicals are on Pi's side. A major catalyst for Pi's surge is the upcoming Consensus 2026 conference, the crypto world's biggest stage. This year, Pi's founders, Nicholas Kokolas and Cheng Diaofan, are set to deliver headline speeches. The community is buzzing. Will they announce the open mainnet launch? Reveal new partnerships? The anticipation is fueling the rally. Dr. Fan's talk will focus on combining Web3, AI, and blockchain for real-world utility, hinting at Pi's broader ambitions. Dr. Kokolas will address digital identity in an AI-driven world, spotlighting Pi's unique network of verified users. These speeches could shape Pi's future and its price. The market is watching every word. Big news could send Pi soaring or trigger a reality check. Behind the scenes, the Pi team is racing toward the open mainnet, the project's most critical milestone. The current enclosed mainnet is like a test track. The open mainnet will let value flow freely. Pi isn't just building a coin, it's creating a platform for AI-powered decentralized apps aiming for real-world utility. The blockchain is being upgraded for speed, security, and scalability to support millions of users. Developers are being equipped with tools to build the next wave of Pi-powered apps. The open mainnet will launch only when the tech is ready and enough users complete KYC verification. No official date yet, but the recent surge in consensus spotlight suggests the finish line is near. The countdown is on. Pi's greatest strength isn't just its tech, it's the passionate global community behind it. Millions of users actively promote, discuss, and support Pi across social media and forums. When news breaks, the community amplifies it, creating a powerful feedback loop that drives excitement and adoption. This network effect attracts developers who see a ready-made audience for new apps. The community's energy is a key reason Pi has grown so quickly. For many, Pi isn't just an investment, it's a movement. As the ecosystem grows, this grassroots support could be the secret to Pi's long-term success. The world is watching what this community will build next. Amid the excitement and buzz surrounding Pi, it's crucial to remember that this journey is still filled with uncertainty and risk. While the community is hopeful, the road ahead is far from guaranteed, and every step forward comes with its own set of challenges. The current price of Pi is highly speculative, driven more by hope, hype, and anticipation than by any real-world utility or established use cases. Many are trading on dreams of future value, but the reality is that Pi's true worth is still untested in the open market. Volatility is extremely high, and the classic crypto mantra, buy the rumor, sell the event, could play out here. If the mainnet launch or consensus event doesn't meet sky-high expectations, prices could drop sharply, leaving latecomers at a loss. Be especially wary of Pi IOUs being traded on some exchanges. These are not actual Pi coins, but rather promises for future tokens. Their prices can be wildly misleading, and there's no guarantee you'll ever receive real Pi in return. The true value of Pi will only become clear once the open mainnet launches and coins are officially listed on major reputable exchanges. Until then, any price you see is just a guess. Another major risk is the sheer volume of mined coins. When the mainnet opens, millions of Pi could flood the market all at once, putting significant downward pressure on the price and potentially overwhelming early demand. For Pi to sustain its value and grow, it will need real demand from new users, developers, and businesses, not just early adopters looking to cash out quickly. The ecosystem must expand beyond speculation. Ultimately, success depends on balancing the supply of coins with genuine utility and widespread adoption. If Pi becomes useful in everyday life, its value could stabilize and grow. The Pi team faces the challenge of delivering on its promises and building real-world partnerships to keep momentum alive and attract long-term believers. As with any cryptocurrency, caution and thorough research are essential. Don't let hype cloud your judgment. Always verify information and understand the risks before getting involved. The world is watching Pi's next move, waiting to see if it can truly deliver on its ambitious vision and become a lasting force in the crypto landscape. With Pi breaking key barriers and the community energized, what's next? The next technical hurdle is the 200-day EMA. Conquering it could confirm a lasting uptrend. All eyes are on Consensus 2026, where the founders' announcements could make or break the rally. Long-term, Pi's value will depend on real-world utility. Can users spend Pi, access unique apps, and interact securely? The project's future hinges on delivering a robust mainnet and a thriving ecosystem. Pi's story is about more than price. It's about building a people-powered digital economy. The recent breakout is a pivotal moment, but the journey is far from over. Millions are waiting, tapping, and hoping for the next chapter. Stay tuned. The Pi Network's story is just beginning.